Hello viewers, welcome back to my another video. Many iPhone users are reporting that GPS not working on iPhone 14, 14 Plus, 14 Pro Max in iOS 16 update. In this video, I will show you how to fix this issue. Method 1 is turn off Wi-Fi or cellular data, Bluetooth and location services and turn them on. Open Settings app. First turn off Wi-Fi or cellular data. Then Bluetooth. Don't do this via control center. Next, turn off location services. To turn off location services, tap on privacy. Tap on location services. Here, turn off location services. Once you turn off, restart your iPhone. For that, go to General under Settings. Scroll down to bottom and tap on Shutdown. Turn off your phone by dragging the slide to power off slider to right side. Wait for 30 seconds and turn it back on. Once you turn on your device, turn on these features which you have turned off. Method 2 is enable airplane mode and disable it. First open control center. Now enable airplane mode. Wait for 20 seconds and disable it. Then check GPS is working or not. Method 3 is check date and time settings. To do this, open Settings app. Find and tap on General. Tap on date and time. Make sure that set automatically is turned on. If already on, turn off and on it. Method 4 is check screen time settings. If location services is grayed out, check screen time settings. Open Settings app. Tap on screen time. Tap on content and privacy restrictions. Here tap on location services. If don't allow changes is selected, switch it to allow changes. Now check location services will be back. Method 5 is set while using the app or widget for map. To do this, go to Settings app. Next, tap on privacy. Now tap on location services. Find and tap maps. Here you have to select while using the app or widgets. Method 6 is force restart your iPhone. If you have iPhone 8, 10, 12, 13 and 14 series and iPhone SE second generation, do the following steps to force restart. Quickly press and release the volume up button. Next, quickly press and release the volume down button. Finally, press and release the side or power button until you see the Apple logo. Method 7 is reset location services. To do this, open Settings app. Next, tap on General. Scroll down to bottom and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset. Select Reset Location and Privacy. Next, enter the passcode of your iPhone. Tap Reset Settings to confirm the process. Method 8 is Reset Network Settings. Open Settings app. Tap on General. Scroll down to bottom. Tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset. Select Reset Network Settings. Enter your iPhone's passcode. Tap Reset Network Settings to confirm the process. Method 9 is update your phone. Connect your iPhone to Wi-Fi and open Settings app. Tap on General. Tap on Software Update. If new version of iOS update is available, tap Download and install it. This was today's video. Hope you like and enjoy the video. Do like, comment, share and also subscribe to Apple Info YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.